Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 13, working on the 302 C4 into a 67 Falcon. Today I'm going to start hooking things up. I'm going to start under the car, hooked up the shift linkage, the transmission kickdown, put the drive shaft in, and I have to move my emergency brake cable because right now, if this is the transmission, emergency brake cable is going up over the top. It needs to go underneath it. I won't be able to record much of that under there. So I'm just going to report back on what I got done. All right, I got some stuff done. I have the drive shaft in. The shifter is hooked up. I have the neutral safety switch plugged in. And the only thing I need to do under there is hook up the transmission, passing gear, shift down, whatever, pull down lever. And I need to do everything under the hood because all this stuff hasn't been touched yet. We have to fight with the power steering lines, and I think the first priority is going to be to get it to start. I'm making a new gas line. The gas line on 6-cylinder cars went up into the engine compartment back by the firewall. On a V8 car, it comes on the outside of the frame rail here and then into the engine compartment. So I bent up a brake line, or I'm starting to bend one up. Got the brake line mounted up in there with some clamps. It's all connected. I ran it up to the fuel pump. So we're good there. I'm starting to hook stuff up under the hood. Put the carburetor on. I have the gas line running through the filter to the carburetor. Got the power steering lines hooked up. I put steering fluid in the pump. I have the transmission cooler lines hooked to the radiator. Of course, the radiator is in now. And I'm working on battery cables. I got to run a ground from the battery to the block. Run another ground from the block to the frame. And I'm going to run another ground from the block to the alternator. And I'm running out of steam. I'm going to get done as much as I can today. I'll bring you back later when I have some more to report. That job took forever. I had to get 3 cables onto one bolt up in a hard to access location. and I couldn't get everything lined up. I finally prevailed. I've been hooking things up. Finally got all the battery connections made. I just have an MSD box sitting on the fender here. The coil's just resting here. I only have the ignition wire hooked up to the box. I don't have anything else hooked up because I have to trace all the wires to figure out where they go. Still a lot to do. I got to figure out the lower radiator hose. That's a big problem. Another big problem is how I'm going to hook the throttle lever up here. Got an arm at the firewall. Carburetor here. I need something to go in between them. Problem is, this arm needs to be a lot longer to get a sufficient throw, because that's all that this pedal has. And that's not enough to move the carburetor wide open. But I just want to hear it putter. I'm ready to call it quits for today. I'm just going to squirt some starting fluid in it. Hopefully it'll suck up enough gas to get the gas line primed and up into my fuel filter. I'm going to turn the key and see if we get some noise. Let's see what the fuel filter looks like here. Oh, it's got a little bit in there. Do that again. Maybe I can get it to run longer. We got any up here yet? No, it's in the fuel filter, but not in the carburetor yet. Give her a little more this time. Yeah, it's gonna work. We need to put a bunch of transmission fluid in it, power steering fluid, and then finish hooking everything up. But that's gonna bring me to the end of part 13, working on putting a 302 and a C4 into a 67 Falcon. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please come back to my channel for future videos and updates. Bye.